Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this peacock red dress. So first and foremost, the fabric is quite interesting. It's stretchy but also like tight feeling, so you know it's gonna like hold you in. It's one shoulder off the shoulder. One of the sleeves looks like this, stretchy sleeve. So it's going to be like off the shoulder and scrunched like a 3/4 sleeve. Other sleeve is a little poofy over here. And then also has the same scrunch, and probably I would say ends around the same place as this one does. It's quite long. I like that a lot. And then there's a split at the back, which means it's gonna be very figure hugging and really sexy. So let me go ahead and try it on. Okay, so this dress is phenomenal. It's so elegant. It's incredible. I love that so normally I wear a small, but because they only had medium, I actually got a medium. I like that it's not like super tight. It actually fits me quite well. The only thing is here, there's a little bit of a weird flappy flap thing. So I'm not exactly sure what is going on here. But other than that, everything else, this fits nice and tight, but not too tight. And this also fits perfectly as well, all the way down. This little elegant detail, ooh, I like that a lot. Really goes well with the dress. Everything, I mean, the pattern is incredible. Down here, you can see the dress is super long, actually. I like that it hits you at the waist and then just kind of goes down, and it just like, the patterns also kind of follow your curves a little bit too, and kind of gives it a little bit more dimension. But it actually goes all the way down to like mid-calf. Yeah, that's like mid-calf, which is my favorite kind of dress. Yeah, and then here's a little slit at the back. A really elegant, really beautiful dress. I would probably go to a dinner out with this or something like that, you know, something to celebrate, some kind of occasion. If you'd like to purchase this dress, make sure to check out the links below. And if you continue watching, you'll see more product reviews. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.